Now I will explain how to check dead Mac, Apple laptop motherboard step by step. Any motherboard, this is SMC IC. This wants 3.5 volts or 3.3 volts regulator. See here, this is DC jack, this is battery connector. From DC jack 19 volts goes to 3.3 volts regulator. From battery, this voltage goes to 12 volts goes to 3.3 volts regulator IC. If any problem in here, battery won't work, DC jack is okay. Any problem in here, battery won't, DC jack won't work, battery is okay. Any problem is in here, set dead fault will come. So from battery and DC jack, voltage goes to 3.3 volts IC. That regulator, that IC voltage goes to SMC chip. This chip wants supply reset clock signal. So this supply goes to SMC and reset voltage and crystal. After this IC will start function. Without pressing power button, these three signals goes to SMC IC. After pressing power button, SMC IC will start function. Now we will see with circuit diagram. This is lqv77.com. You should download from this circuit, this website. See here, Apple laptop schematic diagrams, Apple. You should download from here. Mac Pro, nearly 4 pages is there. You should download from this circuit in this site. This is SMC IC. In ordinary motherboards, SivaIC. This chip wants supply reset clock signal. So this voltage come from, this is battery connector to this regulator IC. I will explain in circuit, after we will see in board also. Now I will explain in this circuit. See here, first you will see page number 3. This green color adapter J6990, this is DC jack connector. This voltage nearly 19 volts goes to through this diode, this IC. This is 3.5 volts regulator IC. This is battery path, this is battery path through this diode. This goes to 3.5 volts IC. After this IC release 3.5 volts, this goes to directly, this is SMC IC. Reset voltage comes to here. After clock signal, this IC will start function. Now we will start from DC jack and battery connector. Now we will see in circuit. You will see first phase, you should understand. See here, P bus in battery connectors, page number 56. So page number 56, battery connector, and page number 56. See here, this is this is battery connector, this is DC jack connector, this is power connector, this is battery connector. J6900, this is J6950, J6900, J6900, J6900. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 pins positive, 5, 6 pins ground, 1, 2, 3, 4 pins positive. So this is the connector total, 6 connections. So in here, battery connector. Now we will see battery connector 6950. 6950. See here, this is pin number 1. This is the mark. This is pin number 1. J, this is pin number 1. J6950. 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 This is battery connector. This voltage goes to, see here, this voltage goes to, in here charger, there is no charger IC in this board, motherboard. That's why they have given another board. So this goes to directly page number 7 and 8. See here, this is the PV bus. This voltage goes to directly this place, page number 64. See here, this is page number 64. This is 19 volts. This is 3.42 IC G3 hot. This IC LU7800 LT3470. This input pin number 3, and when you give supply 19 volts nearly, V in pin number 3. pin number 3, U7800, pin number 3 input shutdown, that means enable pin. When you give pin number 3 and 1 voltage 19 volts or 12 volts from battery, after this IC will start, this output voltage come out from pin number 5. This is U7800, U7800. See here, U7800. This is the IC, this is pin number 1. When you give pin number 1 and 3, main voltage we input 3 and 1. When you give 1 and 3, pin number 1 and 3, after this IC will start function, pin number output voltage come out from pin number 5. Pin number 5. This is pin number 5, 4, 5. This output come out from this IC. This voltage goes to this coil L7810. This is L7810. Now we will see in circuit. See here, L7810. You should check at this coil, that is best. This IC you should check this place. 3.5 volts will come. That voltage goes to SIO, SMC IC. See here, that is
U7800.
U7800. You see U7800, this IC. This IC pin number 1. That mark is pin number 1. Now we will see pin number 3. Pin number 3 voltage, how much? See here, 12 volts supply. 12 volts at pin number 3. Input voltage is okay. In that place, input voltage is okay. Now we will see at coil. That coil 3.46 at this coil. See here, coil number, that is coil number 7810. That coil voltage 3.47 voltage, that is 3.47 volts. So always voltage is okay. That goes to this SMC IC. This is SMC IC. This is SMC IC. This main SMC IC. This IC U4900. Now we will see where is SMC IC. So this voltage goes to SMC IC. What is the name? PP3V42G3H regulator. Now we will see the same name will come in that place. We will see where is SMC IC in page number 1. Page number 1 we will see in here. Page number 1, this is SMC. Where is SMC IC? See here, SMC, page number 45. Now we will see page number 45. See here, U4900. 1 of 4. Total 4 parts. That is in circuit diagram they have given 4 parts. This is 1. See here, this also 3 of 4. This is third part. U4900. U4900. See here, U4900. This is SMC IC. So this voltage come from page number 64. This voltage goes to directly to this IC. This is SMC IC. So this IC wants supply reset clock signal. Reset voltage come from page number 46. Sorry. See here, this voltage come out from page number 8. Page number 8. That name will change in that place. That voltage comes to here. This IC U5000. U5000. This is reset IC. This reset voltage released by this IC. When you give pin number 2 voltage and this IC feedback, when you give this voltage, this IC will start function. That output voltage come out from this place. Now we will see in board also. See here, this is the U500. This is IC, 5 pins IC. When you give this IC voltage, after this IC release voltage, this is 5 pin IC, 1 2 3 4 5. This is U5000. This IC release reset voltage. Next, reset voltage. This is reset IC, U5000. That is U5000. This IC. Pin number 1 input. See here, 3.46 volts. Pin number 1. Pin number 2 output reset voltage. See here, 3.47. Pin number 2. There is no voltage. Pin number 2, there is no voltage. Set dead fault will come. After clock signal, same page number 46. Crystal, you will see in here crystal. Y5010 20 megahertz. Y5010. Y5010. This is 20 megahertz. Y050. Y050. This is. Now we will check at crystal. This signal is okay or not. Okay. See here, signal is okay. Now we will check frequency how much. See here, how much frequency? 20 megahertz. 20 megahertz. Crystal. So from DC jack 19 volts. From DC jack or battery, voltage comes to here. This is 3.5 volts regulator. This voltage goes to this chip. This chip wants supply reset clock signal. So from DC jack or battery connector, this voltage comes to this IC. This is 3.5 volts. This voltage goes to this place without pressing power button. After reset voltage, from this IC reset voltage goes to this place. After this IC release voltage to the reset voltage. After clock signal come out from this crystal, this signal goes to crystal. After this IC will start after pressing power button. This is the procedure in any set. Now we will see another circuits. See here, this is IVY bridge. That means this is a core i7, I think core i7. Now we will see how to see circuit. See page number 3, you should understand. See here, this green color. From DC jack, this voltage goes to this 5 volts and 3.3 volts IC. This is battery connector. From battery connector, this voltage goes to 5 volts and 3.3 volts IC. After this IC release 3.3 volt supply, and this is reset IC. See here, SMC reset IC. This 3.3 volts and SMC reset voltage goes to SMC IC. After clock signal, this IC will start function after pressing power button. Without pressing power button, supply reset clock signal will come to here. Now we will see in circuit. How to see, now I will explain. First we will see first page. Where is DC jack? We will see where is DC in battery connector, page number 52. DC in battery connector, page number 52. See here, this is DC jack. From DC jack, this voltage goes to J6900. Same name. This goes to this one through this transistor to this IC. This is 5 volts and 3.3 volts IC. See here, V in pin number 6 shutdown. When you give V in and shutdown, this IC release 3.5 volts. You should check it, this coil. This voltage goes to SIO chip. PP342 G3 or GH. This goes to SMC IC. From DC jack also, see here, this is from battery connector. This voltage goes to this place, this IC. After this IC release, any problem in here, battery won't work. Any problem in green color, adapter won't work. Any problem in here, complete set dead. So SMC IC wants supply. This is supply 3.5 volts. This goes to SMC IC. Where is SMC IC means you will see in page number 1. SMC. See here, SMC page number 41. Same U4900. Latest also same name. Okay, right. This supply goes to this IC, SMC IC. So SMC IC have supply now. Now crystal, you will see next page. Reset and crystal will come in here. See here, this is reset voltage, this is reset IC. This voltage come out from this place, and this IC voltage also from page number 7. This voltage name will change in that place. After that IC will come U5010. After this reset voltage come out from this IC, and crystal. See here, Y5010 crystal 12 megahertz in latest model, 12 megahertz. This signal goes to SMC IC, page number 41. See here crystal, this is connected in this place, and reset also voltage in here. So this is this orange color is supply, this is reset, this is clock signal. When you give this 3, this IC will start function. After pressing power button, this will start. Without pressing, these 3 signals will come this IC. Now we will see another circuit. This is Sandy bridge. This is DC jack. From DC jack, voltage goes to 5 volts and 3.5 volts IC. From this is battery connector. From battery connector, voltage goes to 5 volts and 3.3 volts IC. That voltage come out from reset IC after SMC power good. That means reset voltage. See here, already they have given numbers also in here. 5 volts 3.3 volts IC number U6990. Reset IC number U5010. SMC IC number, this is 4900. When you give supply, reset, clock signal to this IC will start function. Now we will see in circuit. That means we will see page number 1. Where is DC jack? DC in battery connector, page number 63. See here, from DC jack, this is DC jack, this is battery connector. From DC jack, this signal goes to, voltage goes to this through diode. This is 3.5 volts IC. From battery connector, this voltage goes to 5 volts and 3.3 volts, 3.5 volts IC, regulator IC. See here, T on, timer on also they have given, T on, timer on also they have given. V in and enable. Shutdown name is enable. Enable or shutdown or select or Sena on, same. All names is same. Trip, enable trip. This all names is same. That is enable. That is on. This is on purpose of this IC. When you give V in, this won't start. After enable voltage, this will start. That's why they have given direct voltage from here to here, and this also. After this output will come, you should check that this coil. This voltage goes to SMC IC. Now we will see in page number 1. Where is SMC IC? SMC page number 45. Now we will see page number 45. See here, U4900, 1 of 3. In here also 3 of 3. This supply, when you give supply and reset means you will see next page. This is reset IC. When you give V plus V in, after this output will come. After you will see in downside crystal will come. In here crystal Y5010 20 megahertz, SMC external in and out. This goes to page number 45. That means SMC IC. See here, crystal connected in here. This crystal given another page, page number 46. When you give supply and reset and clock signal, after this IC will start. Without pressing power button, this 3 will come. Power button also connected with this IC. After pressing power button, this IC release. That is another step. This is first step. SMC is first step. Now we will see another circuit also. Same. When you understand, you should understand any circuit. This is the Mac. Now we will see another circuit. This is NVIDIA chip, not Intel. Intel, CPU Intel. Now we will see page number 3. See here, AC adapter. This voltage goes to 5 volts and 3.3 volts IC. See here, 3.4 volts. ICU 6990. This is battery connector. This voltage goes to this IC. Any problem in here, adapter won't work. Any problem in here, battery won't work. This goes to this IC. This IC release 3.5 volts. This 3.3 volts IC is okay, means this two connections, this IC also okay. So this IC voltage goes to SMC, same. This is reset IC. Number 6010, this is 6990. So this goes to SMC IC. When you give supply reset clock signal, this IC will start. Now we will see where is DC jack means. You will see first page, you should understand. Page number 1. Now we will see where is DC jack. See here DC in and battery connector. DC in battery connector, page number 49. Now we will see in page number 49. See here, this is DC jack J6900. This is battery connector. This is battery connector. From battery connector voltage goes to this place. From DC jack this voltage comes to here. This goes to 5 volts and 3.3. This is 3.5 volts regulator IC. In general laptops, this adapter voltage and battery voltage goes to 5 volts and 3.3 volts regulator IC. But in Mac that goes to 3.5 volts IC. That is the different. But in here also 5 volts and 3.3 volts IC is there. That voltage also goes to that place. But first voltage comes to here. After pressing 3.5 volts, 3.3 volts and 5 volts will come that IC. See here, you should check this is the best L6995. This voltage is okay means this IC and from adapter and battery connections also okay. When you give in and shut down voltage, after this IC will start function. Shut down, another name is enable. When you give enable, after this IC will start, this voltage come out from this place. This voltage goes to SMC IC. Where is SMC IC means you will see in page number 1. SMC, this is 38, page number 38. This goes to supply. After you will see next page, reset. See here reset IC, SMC reset. This is reset IC U5010. When you give this 2 volts, after this IC release this voltage, this come from that IC, 3.3 volts come out from that IC. That is when this voltage is okay means that IC also okay. Next crystal. See here same page. Crystal in here Y5010, external SMC. This goes to, see here, this is SMC IC U4900. Supply, reset and clock signal this IC. Without pressing, these 3 signals will come. After pressing power button connected with SMC. After this IC will start function. This is the procedure. This is the first step. Any Mac, any motherboard, you will go step by step, you should understand. Mac or any motherboard, this is step 1. From DC battery connection, that voltage goes to 5 volts and 3.3 volts IC. That IC release 3.3 volts. That 3.3 volts goes to SMC IC, and that means SIO IC. SIO, this is 3.3 volts IC. This voltage goes to SIO and bias. In step 3.3 volts, this is the different steps. When you give 3.3 volts supply SIO and bias, after this IC will start. Step 3 this one. Step 4 SLP S5 command. After pressing power button, this voltage goes to ICH or PCH. Step 5 memory supply. Step 6 run supply. Now all supplies is completed. Next step no display in core i3. No display in core ordinary dual core i laptop motherboard. This is no display in core i7. This is the procedure. When you understand in this way, you should do any laptop motherboard.